This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta. Today I am up here at our Gainesville location, and today we have a 2025 Peterbilt 589. It has the 121-inch short hood. Dual roof-mounted air horns. 13,200 pound capacity steer axle. It's 228-inch wheelbase. 40,000 pound air track rear suspension. 355 gears. 11R 24/5 tires. Trailer connections are mounted back of the cab in case you want to put a headache rack on it. 110 gallon fuel tank on this side, 70 gallon on the other side. Put some extra breather lights and under cab marker lights on it. Let's take a look under the hood. Here we've got our 510 horsepower, 1850 torque, PACCAR MX13. And it's followed up with a 12-speed automated transmission. Battery jump start studs mounted on the frame rail. Inside we have premium interior, carpet, air ride and Modula seats. Top, we got a Cobra CB radio mounted in the header. Floor mounted cup holder. There's a map holder on the back wall. So if this truck will work for you, give me a call, 706-372-4698. Or if you need something spectrum, we could do that too.